Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner series. This is video number 32. In this video we will learn worksheet tutorial. So let's start. Now let's learn how to manage the worksheet efficiently. To rename a sheet, simply double click on the its tab. So I simply double click on the sheet number 1 and here I add the sheet name. So employee details. Okay. And just press the enter and that's it. Okay, this is a way you can quickly rename your sheet. To insert sheet, simply right click on the sheet name and click on the insert option, and here you can see the one dialog box is open, insert. Then select the worksheet and click on OK, and here you can see your sheet number 2 is insert. And the second way, just click on the plus sign and here you can see the sheet number 3 is added. That's it. To delete sheet, simply right click on the sheet tab. So I just right click on the sheet number 2 and click on the delete option, and that's it. You can see sheet number 2 is deleted. To move or copy your worksheet, simply right click on the sheet, so employee details. So I just right click on the sheet and here one option, move or copy, and here you can see the one dialog box is open, move or copy. Move selected sheet to book, just click on this drop down arrow. If you want to move within this workbook, you can just select the Excel Beginner series, the current workbook. If you want to move this sheet in new workbook, so select the new book. To create copy of this selected sheet, simply click on the create copy, then click on the OK. It will create copy, and if you deselect this option, okay, it will not create copy, it's directly move in the new workbook. Okay, so I select this option and click on OK, and here you can see the new workbook is added. You can see book number 5. You can see the workbook name, and here I show you there are two Excel file. First is my here, okay, employee details sheet, and same sheet here move in new workbook, book number 5, employee details. Okay, so this is a way you can move with the create copy. Okay, that's it. To hide worksheet, simply right click on the sheet. So here employee details I'm going to hide, just right click on the and click on the hide option, and that's it. Your employee details sheet is hide. If you want to unhide, right click on it and click on the unhide, and here the one dialog box is open, unhide. So select your sheet, those who want to unhide, and click on OK, and that's it. Here the employee details is unhide. Okay, and the second way to hide worksheet, simply go to the home tab, in cells group click on the format option, and in visibility click on hide and unhide, and here you can see the hide sheet option. Just click on it and here you can see the sheet is hide. Again, if you want to unhide, same as go to the home tab, in cells group click on the format, in visibility click on the hide and unhide, and here click on the last option, unhide the sheet, and here the same dialog box is open, unhide. Select the your sheet and click on OK, and that's it. Your sheet is unhide. Okay. To color sheet tab, so simply right click on the sheet name, and here the tab color option is available. Select the colors here. So I select here the red color. You can see the red color showing on tab, and then right click on the mouse second sheet and again click on the tab color and select here the green color. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.